Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never.
What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video. In this video I'm going to talk about XRP possibly going under 20 cents, and I'm also going to cover Bitcoin, Chainlink and basic attention token, guys. So stay tuned if you follow these coins and want to find out about why I think XRP could go under 20 cents. So first of all, before I jump in this video, guys, I just want to bring your attention to my free Telegram, which the link is in the description. Go and give me a follow on my Telegram. You stay up to date with all my trades and analysis in real time. I also give you guys always the chance to vote on the video topic, and as you can see, by 43% you guys have voted for why I think XRP can go under 20 cents. So first of all, guys, I just want to show you what's been happening recently with XRP. So price was following this nice trend line in price, guys. We had this nice trend line forming here and here, and we've attempted to break up above this long-term resistance. I just want to show you how significant this long-term resistance was. If I go on the daily time frame, you can see I was anticipating, I even put this in my Telegram, I said if price can break above this resistance, we are going to see further up. So just the fact that each time we have tested this resistance, price has been rejected time and time again. So recently we had this bull trap. If I zoom on to the 4 hour, you'll be able to see a bit more clear what happened. So we had this break of downsloping resistance here. Price retested this trend line, got rejected. We broke out of this upsloping resistance here, support, sorry. We broke under this support, found support here on this previous region of support, broke under, and now price, we are consolidating in this region here. So I just want to quickly bring a fib extension in this region. I just want to show you where price it looks like it can go to, because we found support in this region and it looks like price can be testing the 382 fib, which aligns with previous support, which should now turn into new resistance, guys. So we could see something like this happen. Just want to get the arrow out. So we could see a test of this get rejected. If we do get rejected, then we'll have a retest of this new support. I just want to show you the downside targets if we do break under this region. Our first region here is 25 cents. I just want to, it aligns perfectly with this previous area of resistance here. Price action that we've had is very significant price action if we do break under the minus 0.27. So then the next one is 618, which again, if I just clone this, see again how this aligns perfectly with previous price action here in this region here. So to be honest, this is what I'm currently looking at. These are my next two. So I believe we're going to have a retest of the 382, possibly get rejected, retest the support. If we do break under, these are my two next downside targets. However, this theory will be getting validated, because if we break above, we can retest easily the 618 retracement, which aligns perfectly with previous resistance turn support in that region. So very simple stuff, guys. This is what I can happen in the short term. Just want to show you my theory about why I can see 18 cents. Very simple. Flip over to the daily time frame. Just get rid of this fib extension here, just tidy it up a bit and be able to guys to see exactly what I mean. So what I did is so we had these two previous regions of where we get rejected and where price found support around about 20 cents. I mean, these two regions were pre-empty, guys, because you can see why price got exactly at 20 cents, at 21 cents, and this region exactly at 32 cents. So if I draw a quick fib extension from the high here to the low, Just want to show you where price lines up to. If I zoom out on the daily, so again, very significant area here where we've previously an area of interest of price action on a 0.27, and again here at the 618. So please believe, guys, even though I'm giving these bearish predictions on XRP, their project is growing and growing even more. So please believe, if we did hit these regions, I myself have some buy orders since. I mean, we had the news come out of Ripple. They have now surpassed 300 customers. They have now 24, so 24 companies signed up to on-demand liquidity, which used to be known as XRP, which leverages the token XRP, guys. So as you can see, this project and XRP and Ripple as a company, they are growing and growing and growing. And please believe this price action that we're seeing here is very temporary on what's potentially happening in the long term. So please believe, like I said, if we do hit these lower regions, I will have my buy orders set ready to accumulate more and more XRP, because I believe this project in the long term has a lot more to give in this world, guys. It's not just a white paper coin. It's just not like fake news, if you like. It's not just hype. This is a real project with actual real use case and actual real customers. So I'm gonna just flip over quickly to BTC. Also, just want to cover BTC and Litecoin, Link and basic attention token to see what's going on. So very similar to XRP, we had this trend line, break of the trend line. We broke under the 50-day moving average, and now as you can see, we broke under the cloud. So if you don't know about the Ishimoku cloud, if we break under the cloud, that is bearish. If we break above the cloud, that is bullish. As you can see, we broke under, and look where we're finding resistance on the cloud. It seems to me that we could be forming a potential bear flag. So we get this flagpole down, price consolidates, and then we get this other dump towards the downside. They say this is a measured move, which you extrapolate the length of the pole down, which is this area here, and then if we measure it to the break, so if we do have a break, so we do have a break in this region. Just want to show you it aligns perfectly. Bang here. So this is what I can see happening, guys. If we do get this move and we do get a break under this resistance and under this previous resistance now turns support, this will be my first area of interest, round to $8,200, which I believe it can be significant. So mark this down, guys. If we do break under this gray zone here and underneath this resistance now to support, and break under these two regions of support, this will be my first target. So just a quick brief overview of what I can see happening. Also, basic attention token. I mean, once again, if you don't, guys, follow me on my Telegram. I gave this trade call for basic attention token. I gave the call back here. We caught this move to the upside, guys. We squeezed as much as we can out of this trade, and now the price has retraced, and then it's looking now, we broke above now this previous area here of resistance, turned support, we found some resistance here, and now we're going to find this area of support. I believe, once again, very similar to XRP, we could be retesting the 618 fib. So I'm very cautious of this zone here, because we can have something like this happen. If I get the arrow out, so we can have obviously a retest of here, and then have this rejection back down here. But like I said, without confirmation, there's no trade. If we do break above this region, my next target is the 786, which aligns with previous resistance. So that is something I'm watching very closely. I'm not in any trades for BAT at the moment, but it is one I'm watching very closely. Last but not least, Chainlink. I know a lot of you guys hold Chainlink, are interested in Chainlink. I just want to show you currently what's happened. So I draw on this down sloping resistance from the all-time high to the most significant two highs. We've had these two wick rejections here, and look exactly where price has found rejection. Like I said, without confirmation, I mean, a lot of people would start FOMOing, but look, we found rejection in this zone here. But please believe, if we do break out of this region here, out of this resistance, I'll be getting very, very bullish in price. So this is an area to watch, guys. If we do break above this resistance here and we take out these three last wicks here, this will be very bullish for price, guys, and I can see further upside possibly. This will be my first target easily here, where we've had these candle closures here of roughly $3.80. So just like a little bonus potential trade, guys, if you're looking to take, guys, but I would not take this trade unless we had a break out of this resistance and a break above this previous wick rejection zone here. So once again, don't forget to follow my free Telegram, guys, or I'll be giving all my trade analysis in real time on my free Telegram. Go and give me a follow. The link is in the description once again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think of my video, and give me any feedback, or leave a comment to find a subject for my next video. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Crypto Chris over and out.